This is one of those towns where everybody knows everybody. You know the town. It's small.
Such a bother about nothing. You two have been feuding for years.
So, Jeff, I thought a handsome man such as yourself is not hitched.
Oh, well, you know, I kind of like the hunting and fishing life. It's hard to find somebody to go along with that. Ain't she something?
Are you gonna help me or not?
I cannot believe our mama slept with your daddy.
Son of a bitch!
This one here we got is the minivan. This is great if you have a family that you probably shouldn't have, but you do.
Yeah, I'll get right on it. Tomorrow.
I'll take some of that specialty beef.
I'll be right with you.
Well, how many pounds do you think I would like?
Well, it all depends on how many pounds you can take.
Hardy's used car sales. Push it, pull it, or tow it in. Or out. I got the 99 right there.
Does it work?
Well, you. Nah.
Billy? Since you're here, I mean, can we get you anything else?
No, thanks, Jeb. I got to get back to the station. I have some evidence that I need to send into forensics.
Evidence?
Yep. Wilma, did you tell everyone that he had more specialty beef in here?
Might have mentioned it.
God, we got so much.
This piece of shit? I ain't buying this.
Well, you don't got to be a dick about it. I won't need nothing from you anyway if you want to act like that.
We may have a serial killer on our hands.
Well, I'll be damned. An honest-to-goodness serial killer? We might just get us a Walmart.
Hey, no, I don't have time for that today.
Well, that's too bad.
Well, Wilma here seems to think there's some shenanigans going on involving the rake straws. Now, I tried to call once already, and I told Bedford that he wasn't answering.
You want to know what I think, Jeb?
No, Wilma, what do you think?
Oh, why don't you call Billy?
I did call Billy. He don't know nothing about nothing.
I got my double barrel Betsy.
You ain't going nowhere, Riley. You're blind. You know that, right?
Goodbye, Wilma. Come on, Thelma!
What the hell's going on?
I'm so glad it's you, Jeb. It's Billy. He's got an axe. He's trying to kill me.
No, it can't be Billy. Billy knows you're my girl. He would not do that.
Promotional consideration paid for in part by Nuggos Wonder Nuggets. See Synth Wunderbark.